Oh.
Yes, there's been an attack. A man was hit with a rock. He's bleeding. We're on, Cedar Lane and, Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh! Oh! He's not got a mark. Hmm?
Am I too late?
Of course not. All are welcome.
What? On his dream end. Oh, this is horrible. They're his parents. Yeah, that looks like they look old from the past.
I'm sorry, Matthew, but it's spreading.
It's cancer.
Are they burning in there?
Yes, Nora, they are.
Why isn't anybody doing anything?
Oh, this is their accident. Oh, God. Oh, my God, that was the accident that we saw.
Honey? Can you hear me? Help! Please, I need help! Please! Help!
Jesus. What the hell is going on? That's not his wife.
Why isn't anybody doing anything?
Jesus, ow! Remember the car, the cash.
You shouldn't be up.
What time is it?
You need to sit down.
What time is it?
4:30.
Please, I need you to call a bank. FDR, the one on Beekman, asked to speak to Jim Lewis. Tell him not to close. Tell him Matt Jameson is coming over right now.
Wait a minute, I don't know now. You
Just call him!
Get to the bank, get to the bank.
No! Someone call for me.
Sorry, we're closed.
Wait!
Closed.
I need to see Jim Lewis.
We open tomorrow at 8.
Wait! He's expecting me!
Hey, step back. Hey,
Jim, it's Matt.
It's okay, Frank. Let him in.
Here it is. All of it in cash.
I'm sorry, Matt. It's too late.
No, you said end of day. It's only 10 minutes. I have the money. We made a deal.
That was 3 days ago.
What?
You came in on Monday. This is Thursday. Now, I tried calling you on your cell phone, but I'm sorry, Matt. No one here wanted them to have it. But they paid all cash, no escrow. They took possession yesterday. They?
Oh my god! The remnant took him. They're trying to get the Bibles. I'm not even religious and that's hurting me. Oh, Patty! What is her deal? Oh, it's war. I don't even know. I don't even know how to recap that. Just this show. I'm sat there. I'm like, oh, the beginning was really sad. You got, this sense of this church being completely empty. Like it's no longer a place people find any solace in. His life's fallen apart. He's got no money. He's got a care assistant there that he can't even afford to pay to look after his wife, who's in a vegetative state, having been, I assumed, in an accident. But then we find out that actually she was injured, she's got her injuries in the car crash that we saw in the first episode when the baby was taken. And then he goes to Nora Durst to ask for cash. She's his sister. And he's like, unbelievable. Just completely outrageous behaviour. He's treating it like this cash is like some privilege of hers when it's, it's compensation for the loss of her entire family. And then he's like, she offers him the chance, she'll give him the money if he stops doing this crazy truth telling business. And she tells him, oh, by the way, that husband that you're grieving over, yeah, totally shagging your kid's teacher, preschool teacher or something, taking her at the Plaza Hotel, blah blah blah. Like, that's not going to make her feel better. He's like, he's making her feel worse so he can feel better. I'm really angry at him for that. But we see him go home. We see what state his wife's in, that his life's falling apart. He's breaking down. He's going to lose his church to a hedge fund. And then everything seems to improve. He has a vision. He thinks that the pigeons that were on the roulette table mean that he needs to go back and play the table. So he does 3 times over, all in, walks in with 20 grand, walks out with 160 grand. We're like, yeah, the moment he sat in that car, I was thinking he's going to get hit by another car, like something really bad's going to happen. And then, of course, that dickhead who was by the table comes up and he's like, yeah, thanks, I'll take your cash. So he basically kills this guy, smashes his head repeatedly into the concrete like Reverend fucking Rambo, and then drives off. He stops because a remnant gets hit in the face with a stone, and then the people come back, hit him in the face with a stone. He wakes up in hospital after this, the most bizarre like nightmare you've ever seen. He's burning up. He's sleeping with his wife, and then it turns into Meg. He goes to the church, and one of the Sisterhood of the Silent Smokers is there. But she's in normal dress. She lets him in. The church is full. Goes in the back, and his mum and dad are there. And he's got the doctors talking about. I mean, it was just insane. He comes down from that. We think, yeah, brilliant. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. He's gonna get the cash over. And he's been out for several days, and the church is sold. And who is it sold to? The remnant. The end. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Like, I just cannot believe the writing in this show. Just, I love it. I absolutely love it. That was a heck of an episode. I think that might have been my favourite episode yet. In fact, no, it is my favourite episode yet. Which is bizarre, because I've got no bond with the Reverend. Like, he makes me really angry. And yet, that whole... Oh my god. Oh, next. That was brilliant. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed the reaction. For those of you that are now watching along, I'm going to try and get one of these up every few days. Hopefully I can get enough up for you to not have to wait too long between episodes, but I appreciate your patience, and I love that so many of you, like devoted fans of the show, are enjoying the reaction. It means the world. So thank you for watching, and until the next time, bye bye.